The Veosk is an interactive kiosk that connects with our customers on a personal level, deepening the relationship between the dealership and the consumer. Customers are elevated to the service consultant's level by giving them an up-close and simplified look at the importance of vehicle servicing. The Veosk offers an element within the dealership that customers can rely on for information. The virtual service drive software and the Veosk is a great tool, but to fully appreciate its effectiveness, you'll need to take it for a test drive. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We'll press the IS button. Now the IS300. Now this is our maintenance schedule. We're going to go ahead and press the 90,000 mile service. This is where it lists out everything that's done in the 90,000 mile service. There's links that correlate along with what is being performed. But let's go ahead and hit additional services. We'll hit spark plug replacement.
The spark plug is a window into your engine. A technician can inspect the condition of a spark plug and determine how the engine is performing.
The Veosk utilizes the virtual service drive software that contains educational videos. The videos explain to the customer the purpose of that particular fluid or component, how it can fail, and the benefits of having it replaced at our dealership. Okay, let's navigate through the Veosk a little bit more. We're going to go back to the home page. That's where all the vehicles are listed, where the customer can look up their service needs by vehicle. They can find out information about extended warranties, accessories that the dealership offers, meet our service department, and find out about sales specials. So we'll go back to the home page. We'll push the sales special button. We'll find out information about the RX 350. This is a great way for our sales department to connect with our customers, offer its monthly sales specials. Let's go ahead and we'll go back to the main page, the home page. Okay, let's go ahead and customize our Lexus, and we'll find out information about the protector package. This is just a great way for us to market all of the accessories that we offer, from radar detectors to remote starters to iPod kits. But let's go back. I want to meet the service department. When purchasing a new or pre-owned vehicle, being introduced to the Veosk is part of the delivery process. Customers are shown how the Veosk works, and it's a great way for our sales department to introduce our service department after service hours. The virtual service drive software in the Veosk is a great tool. It helps our dealership connect with our customers on a personal level. The Veosk makes the service process easier by giving the customer an up-close and simplified look at the importance of vehicle servicing. But what better way, what better testimonial than to actually hear it coming straight from the customer? We had asked the customers a few questions after having used the Veosk, and this is what their thoughts were.
The concerns and fear I have when I come to a dealership for service is
being taken for a ride.
Is it going to be more involved, the repair, than what I imagined? I'm concerned about the cost of it, if it's going to be more than I anticipated, and am I going to understand what the repair is? If someone's going to explain it in a way that I understand how it's going to be a benefit for me to have it repaired at this time, and how it's going to have an impact on my car's value and performance.
I'm always leery or a little bit afraid of being sold something that I don't really need.
I look forward to being able to learn more about what's being done on my vehicle by going to the kiosk and seeing exactly the details of the workmanship or work that's being done on my car.
As a visual person myself, I like if I can see something and I understand it better, which helps me to make a better, more informed decision.
I think as a woman, once again, they are aware of my own individual needs. We come in as a couple, but we are treated as individuals. And accessing information and having it repeated in a very patient way is very important to me.
It was really just educational, very simple to use, very straightforward, and told me exactly what I needed it done, how it was done, what was being done, and why I needed it to be done. And it couldn't have been a simpler tool.
And they show it in animation so you can see exactly what's happening, like the brake pads going down and seeing exactly what that means. That's a good thing.
It's a very unique service that others don't offer, and it's something that brings me back to the dealership.
It is a reason for me to come back and to trust the dealership.
Who would I go to? I'd go to the Veosk.